Hi guys, this is me Sir Tawheed, and today I'm going to give you a lesson on present perfect tense. So let's have a look at its definition. First of all, this tense expresses an action that is still going on with a past mentioned time, or that stopped recently but has an influence on the present. In other words, we can say that it shows the actions that are completed now. So, whatever has been done recently, or whatever you have done uh, in the recent time, in the present time, whatever you have completed, they can be expressed with the help of present perfect tense. Now, moving on to its structure, there are four elements in this structure. First element is subject, as usual, because in most of the tenses we have subject in the beginning. And what is subject? As I have already told you, subject is the doer of something. So the person who is doing something is called subject. After subject, we have to put helping verb. Here, the helping verbs are has, are, have. After helping verb, we use third form of verb, and this form of verb is also called past participle. After verb, we use object. So, this is the structure of present perfect tense. Now, having a look at its helping verbs, how to use has and have, because there are two helping verbs and we have to use only one from them. So remember, has is used when the subject is third person singular, or in other words, if the subject is third person singular, we use has after it, and the third person singulars are he, she, it, and singular nouns. Maybe you can take anybody's name, you can call someone's name, so it is called third person singular. So after these subjects we have to use has. But if the subjects are other than third person singular, then for all other subjects we use have. So that's it. This is the structure. Now let's have a look at some examples. Here the first example is we have won the match. We have won the match means we have already finished this match and we have already won it. The match is not going now, it is ended. Now, if we look at the sentence, the subject here is we, which is called first person plural. So after we use have, because we have to remember that only with third person singular we use has, other than them we have to use have. So after we use have. After the helping verb we use third form of verb. Here the verb is won. This is the third form of win. Then after the verb we use object, and here the object is the match. We have won the match. This is an affirmative sentence, so if we have to make it a negative sentence, we only have to do is we have to put not after have. So the sentence will become, we have not won the match. And this is a negative sentence. To make this sentence interrogative, we'll put helping verb before the subject. So have will come in the first place. So the sentence will become, have we won the match? Have we won the match? And this is an interrogative sentence. The next example is, you have washed the clothes. This means that you have already washed them. Now the process of washing the clothes is stopped and they are already washed now. So it means you have washed the clothes means you have already washed the clothes. And this is an affirmative sentence. To make this a negative sentence, we need to put only not after helping verb. Here the helping verb is have. So the sentence would become, you have not washed the clothes. You have not washed the clothes. This is a negative sentence. To make this sentence an interrogative, we have to put have in the first place, and in the second place we'll put the subject. And the sentence will become, have you washed the clothes? And in the end we'll have to use an interrogative mark, an interrogation mark. This is an interrogative sentence. Next example is, she has cleaned the room. She has cleaned the room. In this sentence, you can see the subject is she, which is third person singular. So we have used has after she because we had to remember only with the subjects from third person singular we use has. Only with third person singulars we have to use has. Since she is a third person singular subject, so we have used has here. After has there is third form of verb cleaned. Clean means to clean something, to remove the dirts. She has cleaned. And then the object is room. She has cleaned the room. And this is an affirmative sentence. To create its negative, again we only have to put not after has, and then the sentence will become, she has not cleaned the room. This is a negative sentence. Next, if we want to make its interrogative sentence, then we have to use helping verb before the subject, and then subject comes after the helping verb. So the sequence will become like this. Has she cleaned the room? Has she cleaned the room? And this is an interrogative sentence. Don't forget to put interrogation mark in the end. So guys, this is the end of this episode. I hope you could understand this tense properly, and even if you have any problem, even now if you have any sort of problem, you can ask me. I will surely help you in understanding them. If you like this video, hit like button, and don't forget to subscribe me. Bye.